I don't know if you heard, but the governor in the state of Washington just made a decision that during this shelter-in-place crisis we have going on, that getting your home sold is still considered essential business. But let me tell you, it's not going to be business as usual. So stick around and let me tell you some important facts that you need to know if you have to get your house sold. Hi, this is Scott, and probably like some of you, I'm weeks behind on getting a haircut. My beard's a little scruffier, but you know what? I'm getting stuff done and I'm working from home. So Governor Jay Inslee in the state of Washington just made a determination a couple nights ago that getting your home sold, if you need to, is still considered essential real estate business, essential business here in the state of Washington. But there's some huge differences, there's some huge restrictions you have to follow, and your real estate professional has to follow. So I want to give you a quick update. So for instance, there are to be no in-face meetings between real estate professionals and their clients. All of that has to be done by video conference or telephone. Also, there's no open houses that are going to happen, which, really does make sense. When there comes time for inspections on the home, there can be no more than 2 individuals on site at any one time. And whenever possible, all negotiations, all meetings and such have to be done remotely. So those of you who have to get your house sold, this is great news because you have an option. Listen, I am not promoting putting your house on the market right now. If you don't have to, don't. Just wait. The market will be there as soon as we get through this immediate crisis. But some of you have talked to me and you can't wait. You have to get your house sold for whatever reason that is really important to you. So, good news, you have options. Your real estate professional can help you, or if you don't have one, reach out to me and I'll be glad to answer questions for you. So, as always, I hope you're doing well. My new motto is be well, be safe, be kind, and laugh. Together we're going to get through this. Take care.